This video demonstrates how to install Mono Slab EZ Form PVC flashing at butt joints, inside corners, and outside corners. Mono Slab EZ Form PVC flashing is the ultimate code-compliant protective solution designed specifically for Mono Slab EZ Form. The durable, UV-retardant flashing comes in 8-foot lengths. At splice locations, place backer piece and apply clear PVC glue to the entire backer. Place flashing sections so the backer is centered on the butt joint. At outside corners, prepare 2 pieces of flashing, removing the highlighted ear sections from each, as shown. Apply clear PVC glue to the face of one side and join the 2 sections overlapping as shown. Apply clear PVC glue to a section of backer and apply to the back side as shown. Run a bead of clear silicone over exposed exterior seams as shown and install the flashing into the corner. At inside corners, remove the highlighted sections from each side of flashing sections as shown. Apply clear PVC glue to the horizontal leg as shown and join the 2 sections overlapping. Apply clear PVC glue to a section of backer and apply to the back side. Run a bead of clear silicone over exposed exterior seams and install the flashing into the corner. For more information and installation guides, visit monoslabezform.com.